helicopter, this is throughout the time that I've been in this experience with them, these helicopters come by and they do slow looping circles for hours on end. So they're not flying in and out, they're literally doing big looping circles over the house for hours, and then kind of through the neighborhood and then back. It's the most bizarre thing. Not flying and coming and going, but doing, it's just weird. And every time I film anything connected to them, the camera goes out of focus. I just saw a little flash of light.